Professor Vinster, Jurplastic World. Uh, Today I decided to do a little short video for you just to show you and some of the people on my other little channel that don't have printers is how they work. And I'm going to do it with somebody that most of you are familiar with. And if you can't see him right now, you're going to see him in a minute. As you can see, there's a lot going on, and this is only probably 3% of it. I got some stuff to be painted above, some stuff way above. And actually, Mrs. Vinster, she's going to be painting, which she always does. Um, and yeah, she's got other stuff on her plate too, and I have stuff on my plate. And yeah, so without getting into too much more, I want to show you this and show you how it actually prints on the printer, on the CREALITY printer, which a lot of people have trouble with, but the bed stays so clean on mine and works so well. I mean, touch wood, I'm not superstitious or nothing like that. But anyway, we're going to introduce this guy to you. And if you don't know him, you should. I'm not going to say his name because most of you will know him. You'll go, oh, that's. There he is. There he is. All I'm going to say is, of course, you know where he's from. And if you played Super Mario, well, you know. And this is a really clean print. And I'm going to show you right now the printing of him. So, yeah, this is fun. And I see Mrs. Vinster looking at me over there right now. So she's kind of smiling. She knows that she's painting him. That's why she's going, did you kidnap my, you know? And if she's really nice, she's going to bring over the other ones that I already printed. Uh, she'll bring them over so I can show them to you. That's if she's listening to me. Okay, here we go. And here she comes. All right, there they go. So if you don't know, of course, Luigi, he'll be there. And of course, the princess. And him himself, Super Mario. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to show you the making of the one. And yeah, so cool, eh? Look at this. Now I can see it. Now you can see it. So now this one just came off the plate. Look how clean that is. Now all you have to do is give it a pen and bingo. Look how clean that is. And it remains that way. I've never ever had to wash this plate. Never. And this thing here, this is the test that it does just before it prints. Comes off. And then it does the cleaning on this part here. It does the cleaning of the nozzle. And look at that. I've done so many prints, you can see the area that's been used. All you see is actually the thing is, if I got my greasy fingers in the center, then yeah, I should wipe it. But other than that, this is probably the first time because I'm showing you. So that is cool. Funny thing, I don't personally remember this guy. I know Mario, but my son, Junior Minster, he knows it, and Mrs. Minster knows him. So I printed them because they thought that that would be cool. So anyway, this it's hard stuff, but this all pulls off. There you go. In my trash can, his eyes are protected. Same thing. We get in there here. Let's put these on, and these spots here. These are the to help you print so that you're not printing in midair. These are your supports. That's how you pull them off. Mustache has got some supports on the end. We'll do a better job on that. Some spots off like that. Spot behind his neck here. There we go. Take all these little supports, strings, whatever's hanging around. You don't have to be shy, but you also, I use X-Acto knife that's heavy duty. When they really called them X-Acto knives, this is actually an X-Acto knife. These knives online, they got them classified as X-Acto knives, but they're not even close. The blades break, but they call it an X-Acto knife, but it's not the X-Acto company, which I hopefully find. These better work, but after you clean it up, like I said, these aren't exactly easiest to get off. Just a little bit around his mustache. There we go. Go. a little bit around his feet and a little bit of cleanup here. Go. Another one to add to the collection. And there's going to be more. That's cool. So now you see what effort it takes to, and then it has to be cleaned up a bit. And I'm going to take him over to Mrs. Vinster, and she's going to clean him up and work with the collection.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.